back on the ship, and as normal, everywhere on the cruise ship is packed. So there's lines upon lines. Blue Iguana had just put their closer on the end of their line, and then Guy's Burgers was about 60, 70 people deep. And then the buffets, 100 deep. So now we're here at the Seafood Shack. Whoop, whoop. We are going to, wow, that was bad. We're going to try our luck here at the Seafood Shack and see what's up. I've heard great things about it, so we're gonna test it out. We'll let you know how it goes. All right, so the first round, it's a bucket, buffalo shrimp and clams with fries. And there's some lobster rolls. Oh yeah. And then she's went back to get supposedly we have some more coming. Hers. Oh, she got crab cake sliders. And then there's the crab cake sliders. How's that crab cake slider, huh?
Very good.
So, it was a little expensive. It was $37, but that's a whole bunch of seafood we got. So, I'm gonna sign off. We'll see how good it is.
And you have strawberry ice cream? Yeah. You might know that you might like strawberry ice cream. It's because my sugar's high, so I don't make a bad to it. I'm sure it's not expensive. What
Is it yummy,
I'm gonna have a sip of that for real. My stomach is upset.
Hey. Hey. I got strawberry ice cream.
So y'all tell me about the turtles. These guys went and seen the turtles today.
Oh, wait.
Great. It's great.
Yeah, we saw baby turtles in the hatchery.
You saw baby turtles.
You gotta get rid of the little hide plant on turtles. And then we had a little special treat. And that guy brought y'all food to feed the turtles. Right?
What?
You got more fun than you got. Now we gotta feed the turtles.
Now, okay, this is a kind of off question. You got to get in the pool with the turtles?
Well, no,
Oh.
turtles in the, we didn't do the snorkeling because they were too young to get like.
Right. No, but like the wade pool that had like the baby turtles in it or whatever?
We got to feed them. And
Okay.
there with them.
All right. Did you guys get to see the dolphin show? No?
We didn't go across in time.
Okay.
We were stressing about finding someone to take us back to port. Because the lady we asked, she's like, it was like a tour, like an actual tour.
Yeah.
Like, do you mind if we, like, because I didn't know, so she's asking all her people. And they were nice about it. And I felt so bad because there was nobody else. I didn't realize it was like an actual tour.
This one
She
down
was telling us all about it.
J-Ball.
What am I seeing? Oh, okay. I see them. Those are the ones that smell like hamburgers?
Nope.
What do they smell like?
Daddy.
Candy.
Good.
Lunch was good.
Daddy. Next time, J-Ball, do not say they smell like Daddy, okay?
Oh, what? Tell me again.
They had quesadillas.
Next time we got the
Oh, not hamburgers? Okay.
Pinky show's coming out. We'll go down a little bit, son.
It's almost sunset time. We got to go to the front of the ship. We should go to the secret deck. We should go to the secret deck. Deck 8. On the horizon, it's deck 8.
Okay, you have to sit out there.
Y'all want to go to the secret deck? Hey, do y'all want to? Hey, come here. Let me ask you something. Do y'all want to go to the secret deck? People don't know about it. It's a secret.
The secret deck.
We're going to the secret deck.
Did you pop? Do we have to go to the crew only to get to the secret deck?
No.
Pop lead the way, y'all.
All right, here we go. Since it's located at the front of the ship. So we're going to see where we're at. We're going to go out and around, and then we're going to go up, and then we're going to go through this door right here. There you have it. Deck 10. Quote unquote hidden deck. Huh? Why? Because we can go here. Sailing west into the sunset. Alright, so once you're up on it, then you can also go down to the next one. What, y'all found your little cubby hole? Listen to the echo. Echo, echo, echo.
Corey, go sit down on those. And cover up. Come on, pull your dress down. There we go. Alright, look. Stay.
Here, let me get out. Get that we got full sun.